To use the Guest User checkout from within the My Cart page, select Checkout. Enter your email address and then click Checkout as Guest. Fill in the delivery details and select I agree, and then click Calculate Delivery to proceed with your purchase. Select your preferred delivery method here. You can make the final changes to your orders here before you complete your checkout. Add any special delivery instructions here, and then click Continue. Enter your credit card details and click Pay Now. Once you've completed your order, you will receive a confirmation email with your order details. Delivery can be tracked once your shipment is ready to leave the warehouse. Please note that if your order contains multiple items, some items may be shipped separately. You will be able to track each individual item from one page. Additionally, for more details, you can click here to view shipment details on the freight carrier site.